had the nerve to tell me that I'm the one who should return the jacket. Like, can you believe that? Like,
That's crazy, baby.
well, yeah. I mean, yes. She bought it first. But I mean, clearly, it's better suited for me. The rule is whoever wears it better gets to keep it. Not who bought it first. What are we? Barbarians? Kindergartners. I mean, you're doing it again, Patrick.
What? What am I doing?
What are you doing?
Yeah. I'm just eating.
You're making that noise again, Patrick. You're making the noise again. Okay. I value what we have here. I do. But I can't live like this. It's been 6 months, and I have told you time and again. And you don't even know what I'm talking about?
Donna, it's just the noise my throat makes when I swallow. I'm not doing nothing extra. I don't know what you want me to do about it.
And that is the problem.